Bosch is known for their reliability and now offers 4 induction ranges. Except 2 of the ranges aren't made by Bosch, and that could be a problem. So in this video, you'll learn the differences between all these ranges, plus their pros and certainly their cons. So at the end, we'll reveal the 2 you should consider and the 2 you should wait and see, to put it politely. The models HII 8057 and the HII P057 are slide-ins, while the other 2, the HIS 8655 and the HIS 8055, are front control. Slide-ins sit over the countertop, so you don't have a seam between the range and the cabinet for foods and liquids to seep in between. However, it doesn't exactly replace your existing freestanding range. You'll likely have some minor countertop modifications depending on your range. The HIS 8655 and the HIS 8055 are front controls and are designed to replace your current 30-inch freestanding or front control range. If you have any concerns about what you have, check if the cooktop overhangs your countertop. The HIS 8655 is 36 inches wide, while the other 3 are the standard 30 inches. That's obvious, but we'll discuss this in more detail later in the video, especially regarding oven capacity. There's not much difference between the benchmark HII P057 and the HII P8057 series slide-in. They both are slide-in convection. The oven sizes are the same at 4.6 cubic feet, which is smaller than the average at 5.3 for the other brands. They both have warming drawers as well, so you can cook and serve at different times for up to 3 hours without serving dehydrated microwave food. They have the same output at 3700 to 3600 and a 2200 watt burner, which is better than the average on a boost setting. The only difference is the benchmark has a bridge burner to connect the front and back burners for a griddle or odd-shaped dish, and is $300 more. That's the main difference. However, the 30-inch freestanding, the HIS 8055, is different. The burners are like the non-bridged 800 series, but the oven is smaller at 3.9 cubic feet. It doesn't have a warming drawer below, yet it's priced at $43.99 or $300 more. The 36-inch has even less capacity at 3.7 cubic feet. The Bosch Induction slide-ins are the most reliable induction range on the market at just 5.4%, needing service within the first year versus 10.4% for all the other brands combined. We can't say that about the freestanding units because Bosch slide-ins are made by Bosch in the US, while the freestanding units are made by Smeg in Italy. I think Smeg designs beautiful appliances. However, Italian companies like Smeg and Bertazzoni and Ilve are known for style, not durability, and certainly not support and repair after the sale. We carried them 10 years ago, so you'll need to Google more recent reviews. One good takeaway is that Bosch will now handle service logistics, which is excellent, at least in Boston. So you have 2 similar slide-in ranges with a simple burner difference, with 2 freestanding units with small capacity and no warming drawers made by a different company at a higher price. The slide-in is better for new construction with bigger oven and better features. But do you try the freestanding to replace your existing stove without modifying your cabinets? Thanks for watching.